Hi everyone, this is Namrata Apte, and I hope all of you are excited and ready for your law entrance examination. What I'm here to discuss with you guys today is what to do in the last 7 days leading up to your exam. So let's start. First and foremost, revise all the important topics. Whatever you guys have done in your current affairs till now, your legal knowledge, a little bit of your English, like synonyms, acronyms, go through everything that you have done, things in which you had slight difficulty leading up to this exam. Go through all of them again. Revise, revise, revise. That is the key to remember, of course. And memory based things, you have to make sure that it's on your fingertips so that you don't waste any time just sitting and thinking about the right answers during the paper. The next very important thing that you guys need to do in the last few days is, rather, the next important thing that you're not supposed to be doing is don't learn any new topic at the last moment. Whatever you have done till now, just stick to that. Just spend time on making sure that you are well versed with everything that you have done till now. Please, if anything is remaining, do not start that topic now. It is a very bad idea because it will just add unnecessary pressure on you and it's not needed. It will just create more panic. So just focus on things that you already know and you have already practiced, and you'll be good to go. The next thing that you need to do is, or you need to keep in mind is, please don't solve too many mock papers at the last minute before your exam, because it will just create more panic. If you don't get something right, it will play havoc on your psyche. You will think that, oh my God, I'm not prepared. What do I do? Do I need to start mugging up more? Do I need to cram up more at the last moment? Don't do this to yourself. I have some faith in yourself that you have practiced enough and you will be able to face any eventuality on the day of the exam, and have faith in your practice and your instincts. Don't do something drastically new at this moment. Furthermore, in the 7 days leading up to your exam, please make sure that you rest well and you definitely fix your sleep pattern. If you are somebody who's used to studying through the night and resting during the day, you cannot do this anymore. Otherwise, you will have difficulty focusing during those 2 hours of the exam. You wouldn't be as alert as you would want to be. So please make sure that you're resting properly, you're eating properly, you're fixing your sleep cycle. All of these things are also a part of your preparation, so don't take it lightly. Next thing is, please don't change the strategy that you have been following up until now suddenly. If you're talking to other people and they have a different opinion about it, don't let it get to you. Stick to the strategy that you have come up with for yourself and that strategy that you're comfortable with, and don't try anything new because you don't have enough time to get used to it. So don't change anything drastically. And later and after that, please stay safe and stay healthy. Eat well, take care of yourself, don't take any unnecessary risks, don't go on any random trips just before your exam, don't put yourself in any situation where you might get injured or you might not feel well, because physical and mental health are both equally important for your best possible performance. So you have to be very careful, you have to take care of yourself, you have to take a lot of cautions, and don't do anything foolish. And last but not the least, on the day of the exam, first of all, make sure that you're well rested, that you get at least 8 to 9 hours of sleep. Carry your admit card with you, carry your photo ID, read the instructions very, very carefully. Please don't make any silly mistakes, and reach the examination hall on time. If you do all of this, if you stay calm, if you stay focused, rest assured you will do really well. It's an exam for students like you. It's not something which is impossible. And if you are just focused, confident, and calm, you will be able to crack this exam. So all the best to everybody. Hope you do well. And in the process, you also enjoy it. Don't let it become very, very stressful for you. So take care, all of you. Bye bye.